Hey guys, so I am going to show you how to access your Zinc assignments because we've never done it before, and I'm not there today. Now, I've already gotten into Springboard, so just as a quick reminder, you do need to log into PowerSchool, and on the left-hand side, you need to scroll down to where it says Digital Textbooks. From Digital Textbooks, you need to click on Springboard, log in with Google, click your name, and then you should be into Springboard. Now, if you are brand new and you've never logged into PowerSchool, then maybe after this video, somebody can help you out. If you are somebody who, for some crazy reason, still don't have your username and password written in your planner, the sub will have a list of the usernames and passwords, but please write it in your planner. And then if for some reason you cannot get into Springboard, maybe the digital textbook thing isn't on the left-hand side, or it says your Clever is not set up yet, please have the sub make a note of your name so that I can look into it, and we'll get you the printed version of the article and the notes so you can work on it. All right, now, so I'm in Springboard, and this is my home page. So you have two assignments. You have a vocab assignment, and you have an article assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Zinc Reading Labs. Now, what this is not showing you, because I've already logged in as Katie, is this, it will ask you to set up your account, but it will already have your name and your email and all that. So really all you have to click is create account. Now, I'm pretty sure it's caused me to be logged out. I'm not sure. We'll try it. If I got to log in, I'll log in. So I'm in Zinc, and there's two places where I can find my assignments. One, I can go to this bell, click it, and it says that Kristen Cole has assigned you a new article. That's me. I'm Kristen Cole. I've assigned you this new article. Another place you can go is you can click on articles, and then you can click over here on assigned articles. And when you click on assigned articles, it'll bring you to this. Now, I have a note with instructions. It has the date assigned, that you are going to take a quiz on it, and it shows whether you started or not. It also shows you that you have a vocab set to do. So when you click on the article, the first thing it's going to show you is, hey, look, you can't read this article yet because you need to play the game. So you're going to go ahead and click Play Vocab Game. You're going to go through the vocab words and you're going to play the game. After you play the game, you should be able to go in and read the article. As you're reading the article, there will be multiple choice questions for you to answer. And then I just want to show you these vocab words. You can play it, or maybe not. Maybe my my sound is turned down. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Oh, still not working, so I don't know what happened there. But it would say the word assumption so that you could hear the word. So in these vocab games, you look at all of them, and then you study them. And so it's going to give you the instructions. It's going to tell you what to do if you need help, and then you say, got it, I'm ready to play. Now, I don't want to go much further than this because I don't want to mess Katie up, because she was kind enough to let me use her account to make this video. So I'm just going to exit the game. But before I exit the game, I do want to show you that there is a time limit. You do get points, and you progress through. If you cannot fill in all the sentences, when the time runs out, you'll have to keep doing it. All right, so I'm going to exit this game. Now, I'm still in vocabulary. I am I'm showing my class rank. I'm showing how many words I've used, etc. Now, I am going to go back to the article. I don't think I've done enough for it to release the article, but let's see. Yeah, it still says I got to play the game since I haven't actually done it. But anyway, you are going to play the game, and then you're going to come back and read the article. Now, as you're reading the article, you will unlock certain questions, okay? And then you'll be able to answer the questions. Now, on Google Classroom, you also have a Cornell Note document. There's just a couple of questions on there that you need to answer. And then you will have this writing prompt will be the summary of the Cornell notes. And so you will answer that writing prompt in your Cornell notes. So this is what you're gonna get every single week on Monday, and it will be due every single week on Sunday. Usually this will be 100% homework. But for this week, because you have a sub and because it's the first time, I am going to give you today to work on this in class. So go ahead, get logged into PowerSchool, go to Springboard, and go ahead and start playing these vocab games. And be good for the sub.